You are watching AliAziz Quality Education YouTube channel.
Technopreneurship for BSc Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Technology, AMET, by AliAziz Quality Education.
AliAziz Quality Education channel providing you the job best interview related videos, so don't forget the subscription button.
Technopreneurship is a combination of technology and entrepreneurship that IT refers to creating innovative products, services, or solutions using technology and developing them into successful business ventures. In AMET or any engineering field, technopreneurship teaches students how to turn technical knowledge, engineering skills, and creativity into market-ready innovations. 1. What is technopreneurship? A process where technological ideas are transformed into business opportunities. Involves innovation, research, development, creativity, and entrepreneurship. Focuses on solving real-world problems using technology. Examples: designing a new aircraft inspection tool, creating an aviation maintenance software, building a startup for drone services, AI tools, safety apps, etc. 2. Importance of technopreneurship for students. Develops creativity and innovation. Encourages problem solving. Creates future leaders and innovators. Helps engineers build startups. Enhances employability in tech-driven industries. In aviation, it helps engineers think beyond maintenance and become solution creators. 3. Key components of technopreneurship. A. Innovation. Creating something new. Improving existing technologies. Using modern tools, AI, IoT, robotics, software, automation. B. Opportunity recognition. Identifying problems. Finding gaps in the market. Understanding customer needs. C. Technology development. Research and development. Prototyping. Testing and validation. D. Business planning. Creating a business model. Financial planning and cost estimation. Marketing strategy. Revenue generation methods. E. Risk management. Technical risks. Market risks. Financial risks. Safety and compliance risks. 4. Technopreneurship process, step by step. 1. Idea generation. Brainstorming. Innovation through observation. Identifying a problem in aviation or technology. 2. Market research. Who are the customers? What do they need? Who are the competitors? 3. Product/service development. Designing prototypes. Using engineering skills. Applying new technologies. 4. Funding and resources. Angel investors. Government grants. Crowdfunding. Startup incubators. 5. Business model and strategy. Subscription model. B2B or B2C. Pricing plan. Marketing channels. 6. Launch and growth. Testing the product. Getting customer feedback. Scaling the business. 5. Technopreneurship in aviation. Examples of aviation technopreneurship include: A. Digital aviation solutions. Aircraft maintenance tracking apps. AI-based fault detection systems. Digital logbooks for AMEs. B. Safety and inspection tools. Drones for aircraft inspection. Portable NDT devices. Smart inspection helmets, AR/VR. C. Training technologies. Virtual reality, VR, maintenance simulators. Online technical learning platforms. Digital twins of aircraft systems. 5. Technopreneurship in aviation. D. Aircraft component innovation. Lightweight materials. Fuel-efficient systems. Noise reduction technologies. 6. Skills developed through technopreneurship. Innovation and creativity. Leadership. technical problem solving, financial literacy, communication and teamwork, business decision making, market analysis. 7. Challenges in technopreneurship. High competition, need for continuous innovation, financial constraints, rapidly changing technology, regulatory requirements, especially in aviation. 8. Role of technopreneurs in society. Job creation, economic development, technological progress, improving quality of life, solving real-world issues. Conclusion. Technopreneurship empowers engineering students to become innovators, problem solvers, and business leaders. It teaches how to turn technology-based ideas into successful ventures that create value for society. For AMET students, it opens doors to opportunities beyond traditional aircraft maintenance, such as aviation technology startups, digital platforms, and engineering innovations.